Every Sunday morning, my boyfriend goes out on a run for a few hours and I get that time to myself, and I've kind of learned I didn't do my weekly Friday reset, and as I say, if you watch my videos, you'll know how I feel about Sunday resets. No hate or shade to anyone that does them, but they don't really happen in the full of watching Secret Lives of Mormon Wives, because we cancelled our Disney Plus subscription. We've recently got it up again because we also want to watch Rivals. So I've got some dramas to catch up on, and I want a fresh, sparkly house to enjoy that in. The main area of the house that's getting all the TLC in this reset, to be fair, is the kitchen. I do like a kitchen clean. I find it very satisfying, but it's not very rewarding. I feel like you clean the kitchen and the next day you might as well have not done it, especially when you're as clumsy of a cook as I am. There's crumbs, there's spillages, there's splashes everywhere. Honestly, I can't be the only one that feels like cleaning your hob down is literally Groundhog Day. Some days she just gets a little wipe round the edges with some anti-bac kitchen spray, but today she's getting all of the dials taken off. She's getting a scrub with some foamy sieve because there's olive oil